Good morning, kids. Now today I will tell you how to hold the abacus, how to hold the pencil, and before sitting for the class or before starting the page, what all things you have to keep in mind. Okay. Now for this is the abacus. Okay, and the beats will be up and down. So first thing what we have to do is you have to hold the pencil in such a way, like in your right hand, these three fingers should be closed and these two fingers should be open. I mean index finger and thumb finger should be open, and your pencil tip should be down. Okay, the pencil tip should be down, and hold the pencil in such a way that two fingers will be open and these three fingers will be closed. Okay, and then you have to hold with your left hand abacus with little finger and ring finger and with the thumb, and you should do it zoom. You should not keep on doing like this, it will take lot of time. So if your abacus is like this, so with the thumb and with the index nail you have to just touch it, so all beads will go down like this. This is called zoom. Or if it is like this, just tilt it, so all lower beads will come down. Now upper beads we have to take it up, so with your index finger just put it like this. So this activity is called zoom. You can do either this way or you can do this way. Okay. Now for the lower beads we have to use your thumb finger on the unit rod and index finger on the for the upper rod. Now for example, for 1, 2, 3, 4 you have to use thumb finger, and then -1, -2, -3, -4. And for the upper bead we have to use our index finger. Add 5, -5. So once again you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with the index finger, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 with the index finger. Now for the above 5, it is 6. 6 means with the both the finger. We want upper bead and lower bead, so we should do it with both the fingers, with index and thumb at a time. 6, not like this 5, 6. Don't do that. Make sure that you will do at a time. 6, -6, 7, -7, 8, -8, 9, -9. Once again we will do it for 6. This is called pinch-in method. We are like pinching. 6, -6 is pinch out. 7, pinch in. -7, pinch out. 8, pinch in. -8, pinch out. 9, pinch in. -9, pinch out. Now suppose if sum is like this, 2, okay, then add 2, then add 5. So answer is 9. So you should not keep your pencil down. Write the answer 9 in your book. Okay, again hold the pencil like this and zoom it. So while zooming also, no need to complete zoom. If you are using only these two rods, zoom only that two, so that it will save your time. So abacus is like, when you are doing, you should always concentrate, always think on where we can save time. Okay, now suppose add 9, -4, again add 3. So answer is 8. Write answer 8 as it is. You can hold it and write 8 and hold the pencil again with the 3 fingers. Again zoom only these two. Now suppose 8, -3, add 4, -7, -7. So answer is 2. So write 2 and again hold it. So make it practice like holding. Just write it, hold it, write it, hold it. So if you do 10 to 20 times this exercise, you will get the grip. And just keep on doing on your abacus. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, 2, 3, 4. For the practice you can start from this rod also. 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, -2, -3, -4. again 1 2 3 4 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4, like that full rod. Then add 5 minus 5, add 5 minus 5, add 5 minus 5, like that full rod. Then again 6 minus 6, 6 minus 6, 6 minus 6, like that. Then 7 minus 7, 7 minus 7, 7 minus 7. The same way from here till here there are 13 rods, so you can practice that. Again 8 minus 8, 8 minus 8. The same way 9 minus 9, 9 minus 9. So once you practice this, it will be easy for you to do it by holding the abacus. At the same time, you can do it much faster than the kids who don't use it proper fingers and proper method to do it. Thank you.